How to turn off Windows security in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And from here, you want to search for Windows security. You can type in the search bar here, Windows security, and then click on Windows security settings. And from here, you want to go to virus and threat protection. And then you want to go to manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. And from here, you can disable the settings that you don't want to use. So for example, the real-time protection, the cloud delivered protection, the automatic sample submission, and temper protection. Now keep in mind that these settings might be turned on again after a while. So for example, the real-time protection, if you disable it manually, it will get back on after like few minutes. Automatically, it will be turned on again. And to disable these permanently, what you can do is first you want to make sure they are manually disabled like this, and then you want to right click on the start button, then open run and type regedit and then confirm, and it should open up the registry. Now you want to navigate to local machine, software, Microsoft Windows, and then you want to enter the current Windows version folder, and then you want to enter policies, system, and under here you should look for an entry called anti-spyware or disable anti-spyware. And if you can't find it, you want to go back to the Windows directory like this, and then you want to go to Windows Defender folder, which you can find under here. So in this case it's called Windows Defender. Expand this, and then you want to find the entry that says disable anti-spyware, which is this one. And if you can't find it, you can create it manually. Just right click new and then dword 32-bit value, and you can basically add a new entry and call it disable anti-spyware like this exact name, and then double click on it and change the value to 1 from 0 hexadecimal and press OK. And once you do that, you will simply need to restart your computer, and your Windows security settings should be disabled permanently until you turn back them on from the registry editor again. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.